feeling today? Yeah. How you feeling? I'm feeling great.
Okay, guys. So
this is day 3.
Day 2.
Day 3 of shopping. We
Okay.
did furniture the first 2 days. We did IKEA yesterday, but now we're back to IKEA.
Yeah, because we actually took up the biggest package of all. Oh my gosh. It was a bookcase, and we picked up the wrong bookcase. So
yeah,
that was crazy because we had to literally open the whole box, take everything out before we realized.
That's why we're supposed to just open it
from the top.
Yeah.
And then if that's not it, then we cover it back and tape it back up. But we didn't do that. We did not do that. We opened it from the small part of the top, and we slide everything out. And then we're like, okay. Like, we actually start taking pieces out and then slide the rest out. We're sorting it. And I'm like, oh my gosh, this is ugly. Like, I'm taking out one pieces. And I'm like, this is ugly. Like, this is the one that we got. Like, okay, we could paint this or we could do this. Okay, trying to justify the ugliness. And then I'm like,
that bad.
I did not like it.
Bad.
And then when we finally took all the pieces out and sorted out, it was the wrong bookcase.
Yeah.
So then I spent like an hour, maybe longer, trying to get it back into the box so that it could fit, so we could tape it back up and do all that crazy stuff. Like, I'm gonna go get one of these flatbeds. So now it's sitting in the car.
Yep. Because now we must return it for the one we actually wanted. But we will be showing you what we got. What we got. Pretty much everything's put together. We're gonna go home and make this bookcase. Oh yeah, dude. Okay, so we made her dresser. We made her dresser. Okay, so we have her dresser. Yeah, we were building her dresser. And we were doing the drawers. We were doing the drawers. And we told her to pass us like the bottom. Yeah, like the bottom lining bit or whatever. And she only passed us 3 and there was supposed to be 4. We finished putting everything together today and there's no 4th bottom piece to the small drawer on her dresser. So literally 2 things. So we have to discuss that too. Thank you for mentioning that, Chloe. How are you today?
Good.
You're good.
Okay. So we good? Oh, the car feels amazing.
Was on. You have $40 to pay for phone bill.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you a phone bill. I'm gonna get you a phone bill. Yes, I'm gonna get you a phone bill. Okay.
Okay, Chloe. Look at you.
Okay.
All right. So I just inquired inside. Whatever with the returning whatever. So, we're gonna return this bad boy.
Okay,
get the
we
right
can go
one.
in here?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool.
Yeah, we like to follow the rules. We like to go in where it say entrance and come out where it say exit. I don't like to go in where it say exit.
Yeah.
And I feel weird. It's like, ugh. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna do this.
Fun. So
Okay.
much fun.
That's how much it costs.
$7.99. No, compared to $12.99.
From who?
Bob.
RC. Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Alright.
So now we're looking at their furniture. We got the right bookshelf. And we got some cute little things to decorate. It's not a lot, because we need everything before we can just dive into decorating. So now we're looking around. We're looking at the clean section. Trying to see what's over here. What's up, babe?
Nothing. Just walking like you. That's it.
This is a cute lamp. This lamp. But I don't actually think I like the square. So I like the square bottom and how gold it is. Well, mommy hear you saying that.
Got some ice cream.
IKEA has dollar ice cream cones. They're just vanilla and they don't have sprinkles, but that's still so good. Wow. Feels so good to be out early. 'Cause usually I have work and I can't do anything. Feels good. Okay, IKEA is now over. We're not done with IKEA. We're in Summerlin. Let's see. That's better, huh? Well, yeah, we're in Summerlin now. And we're going back to Bob's Furniture to hopefully get
Our living room, a new living room set.
yeah.
I mean, we saw some good things in there, so.
Yeah. And here we are. Now back to Bob's Furnitures to find furniture.
Well, we're actually going to buy it, not to find it. We already found it. Now we're gonna go buy it. We did some measuring, and
We're gonna go look at them again.
we're gonna go look
and
again
decide.
and finalize.
Yeah,
Okay.
because we know the measurements and everything. So
Okay. All right. Let's do this.
Bob's Furniture coming through for us with the candy and the ice cream. Because I'm literally about to have one. And I'm about to have everything goes.
I just want that.
So this is the one that we have settled on. It's huge. It's comfy. That's pretty. Yeah. We are gonna go buy you now. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, this whole setup. Vanity. I want vanity.
Well, not set up. We put the dressing table. This right here.
I didn't record it, but I definitely had a cup of ice cream. I love ice cream. Talking about ice cream dates things. I had room. I had space in my room to fit like furniture like this, like whole set furniture like this. Like I love big furniture. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, friend.
Hello, sis.
Okay, we're gonna have a cookie. Okay, so we have oatmeal raisin. You like oatmeal raisin?
I'm like raisins.
And chocolate chip
That's fine. I don't like raisins.
from Bob's Furniture because they treat us so well. Shout out to Bob's. Okay, this is oatmeal raisin cookie.
It's chocolate chip. I don't like raisins.
It's a nice crunchy. I've ever had oatmeal raisin cookies because I feel like raisin and oatmeal raisin taste really good. Want to try? I don't even think there's raisin in this, so it's just the oatmeal.
Raisins. Found it.
Barely.
We're switching.
Yeah, I got the cookies. I'm trying to share with you. I'm trying to. One raisin won't kill you.
So gross. This is horrible.
You could have had a better chocolate chip cookie, but the oatmeal raisin's fine.
Sorry, go inside.
There's so much crumbs in this chair. I felt so bad. Okay, well. So So today I was supposed to braid my hair. We were supposed to finish the furniture, finish everything that we bought for my kid yesterday. We were supposed to finish that and decided we wanted to do the returns and buy the furniture and everything while it was still daylight.
We also did get my missing piece.
Well, IKEA, we did get.
Oh, and we do have a mystery box from Amazon that only mommy knows about.
Yeah, but now it's late. We probably still can by work tomorrow, so depending on what time we get home when we finish everything, I'm gonna be getting my hair braided.
Yeah!
Okay, so today's a new day, and we've got goodies. We've got packages. We've got some things came. The TV came earlier today, and we were sitting out here waiting for the TV stand. It was supposed to come tonight, and it was a text that said delivered.
I was like, delivered?
I was like, so where's the TV stand at? So we went to the door, opened the door, big surprise, boom, there the TV stand was. So now we're gonna put it together, and now we just have the couch to wait on. We're trying to clean as we go. Now all of the things that are left to be put away, we'll have the TV stand to go into. So let's just get into building it because
You're excited.
I'm ready.
I'm not real.
She's excited.
So let's get into it.
Shiny. Wow.
Now we're ready. So guys, we finally finished the TV stand, and the TV is up, and we're trying to get it running now because we need to relax. All right, we've been working on this for a bit too long, but yeah, so now we just wait for the couch. Okay. The chair's here, but the moving people. And I don't want to be weird. Okay, what I was saying is that the couch came and they put it in and they fixed it up. Hi, Mama. Totally ignoring me, but that's cool.